Hello students, welcome to my presentation on paragraph writing skill in communication skills 2. The paragraph writing I am going to teach you is found in communication skill 2 course material, which is delivered or offered to you at the second semester of academic year. The unit I am going to focus on, the theme of the unit is the concept of life skill. Part 5, writing. The topic I am going to present you or I am going to teach you to develop your paragraph writing is writing a paragraph on the problem you encountered at school. This is the topic that you are going to write a paragraph on. Therefore, when you write this paragraph, there are so many activities you should perform. Be ready to do them and committed. First of all, I want to, since the textbook or the course material that you are going to take or communicating English language or English skill 2 is instruct you to write a paragraph on this topic using problem solution paragraph types. As a result, it is very significant or important to talk about the overview of problem solution paragraph. A problem solution paragraph is a kind of paragraph or a kind of academic paragraph which describes a problem in detail and offers or gives solution to that problem by using different actions. Therefore, this is a very important in your academic writing. In addition to that, when the problem is described, it is necessary to offer that problem. This is the work of the writer, the work or the responsibility of the writer if in his or her experience he confronts certain problem and he did or he gave solution to that problem in his or her experience. As a result, if the problem is described, necessarily the solution should be expressed in the paragraph writing. Problem and solution paragraph emphasizes that the paragraph follows an organized structure for clarity. Today, the lesson I am going to teach you throughout this week's course module is to write a paragraph on the problem you encounter at school. This is very fundamental topic which precedes you, which directs you to do different writing processes. To write this paragraph, you will do different activities. The first one is to identify the audience and purpose of the model text. The model text will be provided to you. The model text that I select for you focus on one of the students' problem that they face at school. And the second one is understand the standard format of the writing paragraph. Third, recognize the most frequent grammar and sentence structure. Punctuation and mechanics from the model paragraph, warm up and brainstorm concepts, outline the gathered information, determine the audience and purpose, write paragraph jointly, draft paragraph independently, receive constructive feedback and reflect on your writing performance at the end is the most important activity you will do throughout your paragraph writing. To summarize the overview of the problem solution paragraph. Problem solution paragraph is a kind of paragraph which directs or in which the writer provides or describes the problem in detail, and he also or she also describes the steps that he is going to take to solve that problem, and finally it has a conclusive statement as well as solution. In order to write this paragraph, different writing process you should pass through that I have discussed for you. The call to action. The call to action is an activity that you should perform while you are writing paragraph through flipped classroom model. The first one is read all the materials and watch the videos you access through the link. The link is found in the flipped classroom material, and when you click the clickable link, you can obtain the material and you can obtain the Google form, and you will type your answer in that. Try all activity in the flipped classroom material for this week. Type in your answer in the Google form and submit it before the deadline. These are the actions that you are going to take. Students, I have completed my presentation on the overview of paragraph writing. Thank you very much for your watching. Bye bye.